So, Seema Bitukle, are you ready now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, full screen केलेला आहे. ठीक आहे, काय हरकत नाही. You start your presentation.
Okay. Hello friends, good morning. Myself Seema Bitukle. Friends, today we are going to learn about pituitary gland. Okay. In this topic, we are firstly see the introduction of the pituitary gland, then location, after that structure, and lastly hormones of the pituitary gland. Now we start the introduction of the pituitary gland. Firstly, pituitary gland is endocrine gland because it is ductless gland and ductless glands are secrete the hormones. Okay. Pituitary gland is fish-sized, reddish-gray colored gland. Pituitary gland is also called as hypophysis gland. Pituitary gland is also called as pituitary gland is also known as master endocrine gland or orchestra because of it controls the all activities of the endocrine gland. This one is the introduction of the pituitary gland. Okay. After that, location. Pituitary gland is mainly located in the base of the brain. It is located just below the hypothalamus and attached to by stalk is called the infundibulum. That is, infundibulum is connected to hypothalamus and pituitary gland. So that pituitary gland is lies in depression of the sphenoid bone. Okay. Now this is the location of the pituitary gland. Now we see the structure of the pituitary gland. Here is the diagram of the pituitary gland. All of you see?
Yes.
Okay. Pituitary gland is pea-shaped. All of you know it is pea-sized in shape and its approximately weight is 0.5 gram in man and it is much larger in pregnant women. Okay. Now we see the actual structure of the pituitary gland. Mainly, structurally, pituitary gland is divided into larger adenohypophysis, that is anterior lobe. Okay. And the smaller region is the posterior lobe, or it is also called as neurohypophysis, and middle region is called as pars intermedia or intermediate lobe. Actually,
pars, not paras.
Pars intermedia or intermediate lobe. Actually, anterior lobe, that is adenohypophysis, is highly cellular and vascular part of the pituitary gland, and it regulates the processes like stress, growth, as well as reproduction. On the other hand, posterior lobe, that is neurohypophysis, is made up of mostly nerve fibers and neuroglial cells. It is also called the pituocytes. Here are the two nucleus, supraoptic nucleus and preventricular nucleus. These are the hypothalamic neurons, which release the ADH and oxytocin. Here is the structure of pituitary gland. After that, we will see the hormones of the pituitary gland. Firstly, we see the hormones of anterior lobe of the pituitary gland. Actually, anterior lobe of the pituitary gland mainly produce 6 hormones. First is the TSH, means thyroid stimulating hormone, or it is also called thyrotropin. Thyrotropin or thyroid stimulating hormone stimulate to the thyroid gland to secrete the hormone thyroxine. It also increase the amount of iodine and also increase the rate of metabolism of all cells of body. Second one is the ACTH. It is also called as adrenocorticotropic or adrenocorticotropin hormone. It stimulates the adrenal cortex to secrete the glucocorticoid hormone. which are essential to reaction to the stress such as injury, excess heat, blood, etc. First thought is the prolactin hormone or mammotropin hormone. Prolactin hormone stimulates the milk production and secretion of milk by mammary gland after childbirth. Fourth hormone is the FSH or follicle stimulation. In female, it stimulates the growth of Graafian follicle, and in male it increases the spermatogenesis, that is the formation of sperms. Fifth number is luteinizing hormone. FSH is also known as gonadotropin hormone. Now, FSH is in female ovulation. That means Graafian follicle ruptured and release ova. Male DL produce progesterone hormone, which helps in maintain the pregnancy. And in male, luteinizing hormone produce testosterone to control the secondary sex character. Now, sixth number is growth hormone or somatotropin hormone. Growth hormone plays important role in growth of skeleton and muscles of the body and also in tissue of the body. Now we see the hormones of the posterior lobe, that is neurohypophysis. Neurohypophysis mainly produce two hormones. These hormones are also called as neurosecretory hormones. Okay. First one is the oxytocin. Oxytocin is quick birth hormone because it acts on uterine contraction and helps in the parturition, that is delivery. It also acts on mammary gland, that's effect is milk laid down. Vasopressin or ADH hormone is also known as antidiuretic hormone. ADH hormone helps in regulate kidney functions and also helps in osmoregulation or water balance in the body. Now we see hormones of the intermediate lobe. First, it produces only one hormone, that is MSH, that is melanocyte stimulating hormone. It stimulates the synthesis of melanin in skin and responsible for skin pigmentation.
संपले का?
हाँ सर संपले. आता क्वेश्चन विचारू का?
थँक्यू म्हणायचं.
हाँ सर राहिले की अजून क्वेश्चन?
नाही अगोदर म्हणजे थँक्यू असं म्हणायचं आणि मग क्वेश्चन वगैरे काय.
हाँ. Thanks all of you for listening to me carefully and properly.
ओके. कोणाचे प्रश्न असले विचारा त्यांना. एनीबडी?
If you don't, please ask me questions.
Ask a question.
No doubt.
थांबा की जरा. ढगे विचारा प्रश्न तुम्ही. तुमच्या स्क्रीन मधून बाहेर या आता. तुमचं स्क्रीन बंद करा. स्टॉप शेअरिंग म्हणायचं. स्टॉप शेअरिंग मध्ये म्हणायचं. मराठी विचारा प्रश्न त्याला. यस मराठी विचारा. सोनाली केदार Any doubt you have? Dage.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, very nice. Nicely presented. अतिशय चांगल्या पद्धतीने प्रेझेंट केलेलं आहे. त्यामुळं तुमचं एकदा अभिनंदन करतो सगळ्यांच्या वतीनं. आणि अशाच पद्धतीनं ते करत चला. नक्कीच तुम्हाला त्याचा फायदा होईल. अजून थोडंसं आणखी त्याच्यामध्ये ॲडिशन केलं असतं न्यूरोहायपॅसिस त्याचे हार्मोन्स तर आणखीन कंप्लीट झालं असतं. पण ठीक आहे, मला वाटतं की सगळ्यांची आता हे टॉपिकची बऱ्यापैकी तयारी झालेली असेल आणि मला खात्री आहे की पुढचं टॉपिकसुद्धा तुम्ही चांगल्या पद्धतीने घ्याल. आणखीन एखादा काय यानंतर कोण घेणार आहे लेक्चर, म्हणजे उद्या वगैरे?
सर मी उद्या घेते.
वाह, क्या बात है. शिवानी डगे गोइंग टू प्रेझेंट टुमारो. व्हॉट इज युअर टॉपिक?
सेम टॉपिक सर.
सेम टॉपिक. आता उद्या चांगली जोरदार तयारी केलेली आहे. जरा प्रॅक्टिस करून घ्या कशाची, स्क्रीन शेअर कशी करायची ते लक्षात तुमच्या, आणि त्या पद्धतीने करा. म्हणजे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की आज बिचुकलीने सुद्धा चांगल्या पद्धतीने प्रेझेंट केलेलं आहे. पण आज घरी बसल्या शेअरिंगची प्रॅक्टिस करायची. लक्षात काय अडचण नाही ना?
नाही सर.
ओके. पुन्हा एकदा सीमा बिचुकले यांचं मी अभिनंदन करतो. आणि आज
Thanks, sir. And thank you all of you for giving me chance to speak here and guide to me.
चांगल्या पद्धतीने. आणि तेजश्री माने जॉईन झालेले आहेत. अतिशय चांगल्या पद्धतीनं माने यांचा विवाह संपन्न झालेला आहे. 24 तारखेला होता. मला खात्री आहे की त्यांचा विवाह चांगल्या पद्धतीने संपन्न झाला.